Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set password laptop. To get started, enter accounts in the search box. Click on Sign In options. After this, click on Password and then on the Add option. In this new window, write and confirm the password that you will use to access the system. Click Next and then Finish so that the password is assigned. To check this, you can lock the system and verify that access is now password protected. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.